What's up? With the homie Rob. I just did my first rolling shot with Benny. Okay, you're gonna see like a little clip of the footage. But shout out to him. Yo, thank you so much. We're on our way to, I think, goodbye for me. Oh, shout out to Benny too. I'll plug his Instagram and everything. Hold up. No, alright, look. This motherfucker right here. Hold on. No. This motherfucker right here. Where's the Mexico? This motherfucker ain't called nobody.
Everybody know where Mexico is.
Oh, I don't know where it's at.
It's Prince George's County.
Yeah,
we got different names, but I call it Mexico. They call it
like, I think we're just waiting for like people to show up and shit.
No, the only time hands down is when there's money involved.
Probably gonna be like taking pictures more than vlogging. Like I'm trying to save battery like shit. So hopefully it's in focus. So, yeah. What's up, man? Hey.
Would you like paying to get your cake?
I'm just a bachelor, looking for a partner, someone who knows how to ride without even falling off. Gotta be compatible, takes me to my limits. So girl, when I break you off, I promise that you won't wanna get off. If you're horny, let's do it. Ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. You're horny, baby. Ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. If you wanna get nasty, baby. First we'll show and tell, till I reach your ponytail. Yeah. Look all over and through you, baby. Until we reach the stream, you'll be on my jockey team. Pony, do it, ride it, my pony, my saddle's waiting. Come and jump on it. Real Life Living Productions. Real Life Living Productions.
Looks like dope so far. Look at that sexy motherfucker right there. Look at that shit. Yeah. It was like just a security guard like came out. It was like the exhausts are too loud, like the music is too loud and shit like that. He said like he doesn't care. So where the fuck did he go? He said like he doesn't care, so he likes his shit. And he has a Honda, so.
I posted something on IG and it said,
Oh, hold up. I'm gonna get this shot right quick. Hold up.
Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach the destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.